Hello friends. I'm glad to see you on my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to replace the stretch ceiling canvas. The customer is tired of the glossy ceiling and still needs to move the lamps and add a fixture for the chandelier. Before proceeding with the removal of the stretch ceiling canvas, it is necessary to dismantle all spotlights. Take out the lamp and disconnect the power supply. Transgress to the removal of the stretch ceiling. We bend a small part of the profile and pull out the stretch ceiling canvas. Let's see how another team made a stretch ceiling. Profile joints are sealed with non-aluminum adhesive tape. The fastening of the profile must be checked around the entire perimeter. If the profile does not hold well, then it is necessary to tighten the screw. The power supply for the fixtures is held on with adhesive tape and can be easily torn off. I tightened all the screws around the perimeter so that the profile held firmly on the wall. I sealed the joints with aluminum tape. Remove all fixtures for lamps. ceiling cleared of past lighting. Install a plywood platform for mounting the chandelier. Drilling holes in concrete to secure the platform. Fix the platform for mounting the chandelier. This platform will support a heavy chandelier, even the weight of a person. We installed platforms for fixing fixtures and fixed the electrical wire from old components. Before installing the ceiling, it is necessary to check whether the electrical wire is connected correctly or not. Separately, you can turn on the chandelier and separately the lamp. Now let's move on to stretching the fabric of the stretch ceiling. I won't go into details, there is already a video on the channel with explanations. We hang the canvas of the stretch ceiling on clothespins. We heat the canvas with a gas heater and insert it into the profile, first in the corners. Then we insert the canvas of the stretch ceiling in a straight line. Heat, then insert. Stretch ceiling fabric installed. Now we connect and install the lamps. This was done by a partner. I at this time installed a decorative cord around the perimeter. Replacing the stretch ceiling canvas was a success. Subscribe to my channel, write your questions in the comments. See you soon. No war in Ukraine. The president of Mortar is not my president, I didn't choose him.